Earlier this week, news filtered in that Enugu state government, ably led by the governor of the state, Governor Peter Mbah, plans to establish an airline, Enugu Air, with private sector partnership that would be focused on both cargo and passenger service, and that he had set a target of 15 months to establish the airline and get it ready for certification by the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, NCAA. This has drawn divided opinion from both in the Enugu and beyond. While some people believe this is totally needless for now, some have also argued that the establishment of Enugu Air would help the state to grow her IGR. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you the real reason why Governor Mbah has decided to establish Enugu Air, and we'll also be sharing with you all the details from the meeting the governor had with the members of the Abia Cargo Roadmap Development Committee. If you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so whenever we upload informative videos like this, you'll get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. The governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah, has said that the state has just concluded plans to provide 300,000 hectares of land in each senatorial zone for the cultivation of cash crops that would be processed for export. Governor Mbah said that his administration has laid out the plans to actualize this goal in order to boost the state revenue, create jobs, and also build associated infrastructures that would enable the state to be a net exporter of different types of farm produce. To this end, the governor has initiated plans to build ultra-modern warehouse for both the storage and processing of farm perishables at the Akanu Ibiam International Airport, Enugu, in collaboration with FAN, the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria. He also disclosed that Enugu state government would establish an airline that would be focused on cargo freighting and passenger service, adding that he had set a target of 15 months to establish the airline and to get it ready for certification by the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, NCAA. Governor Mbah made this known this week when members of Abia Cargo Roadmap Committee visited him at the government house in Enugu. He assured them that he had already kick-started the plan to develop agriculture as the major source of foreign exchange earner of the state. In his words, "Your plan to encourage export of farm produce coincides with our plan to boost our revenue through the export of agricultural produce to realize our objective of increasing the state's earning from $4 billion to $30 billion within the next 4 to 8 years. We have elevated our Ministry of Agriculture to Agro and Allied Ministry, and we want to promote agriculture so that it will contribute about 40% to our GDP. We shall also establish 300,000 hectares of farmland in the 3 senatorial zones of our state. We aim to export farm produce, and we have designed a common export facility we intend to construct with quality assurance and standardization procedures. We have also identified some of our constraints. We do believe that Enugu State should have a cargo terminal, and given the urgency with which we want to realize our goals, we need the cargo terminal as quickly as possible. We intend to also have a cold chain facility and warehouses. We are also looking to start the export of some farm produce, including Ose Unsuka special pepper, which is in very high demand overseas. We are interested in value addition, the governor said. In this meeting, the coordinator of Abia Cargo Roadmap Committee, Ambassador Ikechi Uko, told the governor that there was need to increase the volume of cargo, especially agricultural produce from Nigeria, to boost foreign exchange and to create jobs for Nigerians, regretting that many cargo planes that arrive Nigeria to drop products fly back empty because Nigeria does not have much to export. Yet we have airports all over the country, but we have not been able to use what we have invested to solve our problems. He said for Nigeria to increase its export of farm produce, it has to adopt a new strategy, which includes finding out what the international market needs, cultivating crops following standard processes, as every produce that would be exported has a known origin or provenance. So traceability is very important, because overseas you cannot consume what you don't know the source, to ensure that it is produced in a healthy manner and in a safe environment, he added. We have built airports that are carcasses that do not have warehouses. Perishables will do very well in Enugu, so we can do a cluster, and that calls for the provision of basic infrastructures for farm produce in Enugu State, the ambassador said. Giving details about the planned airline, Enugu Air, the State Commissioner of Transportation, Obi Ozo, said that Enugu Air was envisioned to operate as a multimodal transportation system encompassing both passenger and cargo services. We want to establish an airline, Enugu Air, which would consist of both passengers and cargo operations, especially on the cargo side, to be able to use that as a channel to encourage export of agricultural produce and other mining products. Also, on the passenger side, we want to use the airline to bring investors in and out of the state, as we are the regional hub of the southeast of Nigeria. So that is part of the works, and our governor is very committed to this. He is addicted to speed along with accuracy, the commissioner stated. Fam, we would love to know your thoughts on the establishment of Enugu Air, as many has compared it to Ibom Air, stating that the establishment of Ibom Air in an overall has greatly added to the IGR of Akwa Ibom State. We would love to know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Do you think this is really needed at this point to boost Enugu State's economy, or do you think this is a total waste of the state's resources? We'll be looking out in the comment section to see your thoughts. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload informative videos and updates like this, you'll get to see it. As usual, we'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.